Tortilla Lupita is a better for you, healthy, Mexican-inspired food brand. Tortilla Lupita started as a line of hot sauce, family recipe hot sauces. They're my mom's recipe, made with simple ingredients, all natural, non-GMO, gluten-free, no sugar. And now, this year, we're releasing our line of cactus tortilla chips and tortillas. Cactus, or also known in the barrio as nopales, is a superfood. And we use it as an ingredient to provide and elevate a healthier component to what is not regularly considered a healthy product like tortillas or tortilla chips. Anyone who likes tacos or Mexican food, but if we want to be a little bit more specific, our target is the new generations, millennials, Gen Zs. 30% of them are Hispanic or from Hispanic descent. They're second, third generation, and they want to acculturate. They want to blend in. They're paying attention to what they eat. They're looking at the ingredients, but they're staying close to their culture and their heritage. They like original, but feel that the legacy brands that are out there are not original anymore. They've lost that proposition. So they're looking for new original. And they're also sharing what they're eating with the mainstream culture. So last year was our first year of sales. We're in over 800 stores, really cool accounts. The acceptance of our product has been fantastic. We're in accounts like Whole Foods, Wegmans, the Fresh Market, Central Market, Cost Plus World Market. We're in really cool regions like obviously Northern California, Southern California. We're in Minneapolis. We're here in New York and Texas. So we're really excited where our growth is going right now. So the biggest surprise for me has been how lonely launching a company can be, especially when you're confronting issues like manufacturing and operation and logistics. That has definitely been a surprise for me, a challenge. But we wake up, we go to work, and we manage it through it. For us, it would be very important to partner with someone that could help us with our online business. We're doing great with retail. There's definitely opportunity and upside through online platforms like Amazon, Jet, and all the other online retail service providers that are out there. Someone that could help us with social media and online marketing. That's definitely something that we would love guidance and support on. Well, I'm an immigrant. I moved here 15 years ago from Monterrey, Mexico. I started in a Mexican startup as a field rep, going door to door, almost like a door to door sales rep, carrying my bag of samples and carrying racks and displays in my car, and have moved up the ranks. I've also worked with big companies like Nestle and Diamond Foods, and I've done the market strategy and planning for a brand that's worth $250 million. I'm really passionate about food, really passionate about Mexico, and this all started with my mom sending me her hot sauce, right? My mom wanting to connect with me. We're living in very difficult times right now. We're living times of divisive rhetoric and building walls. My mom built a bridge to me by sending me her hot sauce and me allowing me to share it with friends. I want to build a bridge to you guys to share better, healthy Mexican food.